To make a BIN payment via INSTAPAY. The process is straightforward. Begin by opening your account and navigating to the Build tabs, where you can select the BIN you wish to pay and click the Pay Now button. Next, choose INSTAPAY as your payment method. You can change this if needed by clicking the Change button. A unique INSTAPAY payment code will then be generated. Click the Copy button to copy it. Open your bank's mobile app or website, or your preferred payment method, and select the option to send money. Choose INSTAPAY as the transfer method. Enter the recipient's account name, and paste the copied INSTAPAY code. Confirm your transaction details, checking for any necessary changes, and you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to authenticate the transaction, and once verified, the payment will be completed, and you will receive a confirmation.